Today is Wednesday, June 17th. I'm meteorologist Lindsey Monroe and wanted to get you updated here the morning before a round of some strong storms expected to impact central Indiana today. Been watching this complex come out of northern portions of Illinois. This has already prompted a tornado watch just over the border. We did get an update this morning just after 9 o'clock from the Storm Prediction Center. And this is a change in that level 4 of 5 from the SPC as far as where we can anticipate the more widespread severe threat today. This has been shifted a little farther to the south to now include Terre Haute over to Indianapolis along the I-70 corridor. A level 3 risk for numerous strong to severe storms also shifted a little farther to the south to include Vincennes to Seymour. And that does include our tornado risk for today. This has been upgraded, and again, a little bit of a shift to the south where we can anticipate those individual storm cells firing up and potentially creating those rotating storms. And not going to rule out the potential that we might see a few long track, stronger, intense tornadoes within that boundary. Want to walk you through the latest timeline and the arrival time of this. The initial round of storms that's in northern Indiana now going to become widespread across the northern half of the state by the time we get into the mid-afternoon. We're paused here at 3 p.m. And what we're focusing on here is the southern extent of that, where we could get some embedded rotation and the potential of tornado warnings already with that first round. While that's moving through, a warm front will be stalled to our north, a trailing cold front. And in that warm sector, we're going to have all of those ingredients for severe weather to still come together, producing a broken line of potentially rotating thunderstorms throughout central Illinois. That's through 5 o'clock. This will then move into the very western extent of the state of Indiana as we approach 8 o'clock tonight. Now we're after 8 p.m. Again, still going to be concerned with the potential of that rotating storm threat right here along the I-70 corridor. As this boundary continues to slide south, now we're close to sunset. This is still going to be an active setup, but once this merges into more of a longer line of storms, that primary threat, mainly after the sun goes down, will shift from those rotating storms, large hail, to the potential of some significant damaging wind gusts, the severe threat eventually wrapping up as we get closer to 3 o'clock in the morning, early Thursday. We'll keep you posted.